Avery's bus is gone already. I didn't realize I'd be starting another video. There's a bird. More of the train horn. Sounds like a long train. It's only about 10 minutes from us, if that much. I think it's done going by. A little bit of forest. Gotta make sure Avery's big sister is up. She's next to leave. Then it'll be my usual chores. Dishes, sweeping the floor, maybe mopping a little bit, going into my shed. Not necessarily in that order. Little tree. Car going by, that's what made me turn around. And there's the street. No more birds on top of me singing, but I'm gonna leave it running in case we hear a couple more along the way. My feet on the gravel, crunch, crunch, crunch. Like I said earlier, I didn't get the bus going by this time because I didn't realize I was going to be taking another video. Not sure if we're going to get rain or not. Hopefully not. Look from under the tree. That must be for target practice. That was there when we moved in. I don't know how many videos I'm going to get next week. It's supposed to rain all week. And I want to try and get as much done in the shed as I could today, tomorrow. And then again Sunday when my sister is off. Just in case we get all that rain and I lose a week or two because of rain and puddles. If it's just a light amount of rain and I can't walk, that's fine because then I could still get in the shed if the grass is just wet. I just don't want to bring in any puddles and mud to the shed. There's some tree branches coming up. Good for the fire pit. And the dog area. The doghouse there. And I'm going to let you look out this end of the driveway for a minute, because the only time we see this end of the driveway is when I'm on my walk or taking a video heading home from the bus stop. Dog area, hold my finger. Hold on. That's just where we came from. Oh gosh. Here's the bus stop that we just came from. And here's the other end of the driveway that we usually see on my walks and my videos. See the difference in the lightness from here and the end of the driveway because of the trees covering. It seems lighter on the video than what it is under the trees here. And it's pretty light now. And we're not seeing the darkness as well. I'm under the trees. Here's where my sister parks. The seating area, which is even lighter on video. I'm under the trees now where we saw all the darkness. Like I said, it's lighter on video. This is the left of our driveway going this way. And the seating area is to the right. Gonna listen to the birds for a moment, then I gotta go in. And this is what we see from the front door. What's behind me is our house. So these are the trees and the driveway that's seen from our front porch. And again, down there at the other end of the driveway, that's where Avery and I were just waiting for the bus. I don't see the birds, I just hear them. I'm going to end this video in a few seconds. I do have to get inside.